Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Want to know how to fix this problem? This is a video from Live Help, and we offer two types of Live Help. One is the group chat, which meets every weekend. This is a free group video chat, and everyone is invited to join. The other is Live Help one-on-one. Take a look at this problem. You can see water pours down the driveway. I mean pours down the driveway. And it's flooding right through the backyard, taking everything with it. This is a problem that can easily be solved with a trench drain. A trench drain is gravel perforated pipe, and the gravel is brought to grade. It's set at the end of that driveway, so it acts as a giant channel drain. And then we need to discharge that water down to that pond. Very straightforward. If you have this type of problem, or any problem, take a look at this pool. You can see the same thing, water just flooding all over. How can we fix that? Look at that flow of water. How can we fix that problem? I can answer that question for you in a matter of minutes. The Live Help group meets every Saturday or Sunday. We usually have 2 hours. It starts at 9 a.m. Eastern, and I usually give 2 hours, so about 11 o'clock. There's usually 20, 30, maybe 50 people in that group. It's not the same as Live Help one-on-one, but you learn because you see a similar problem in someone's yard, which is really just like yours. Most problems are the same. So you watch and listen as we answer those questions, and you'll say, hey, that's just like my problem. Maybe we tell you how deep to dig or where this line should go. We talk about catch basins. We talk about gravel, perforated pipe, easy flow. You really learn a lot in the group chat just because everyone's involved. To sign up for the group chat, simply click the link in the description box below. It will give you all the information from there. Live Help one-on-one is now available with no waiting. It's available Monday through Friday from 7:30 a.m. to noon Eastern Time. We're using Zoom for both the group and the one-on-one Live Help. Simply click the link and you will come to the chat. Yes, you need to download the Zoom app, but once you do, click the link and you'll come into the group chat or the one-on-one, and you're placed in a waiting room. I don't know if you've ever used Telemed, the doctors online. It's kind of the same thing. When you sign up for that and you're placed into a waiting room and the next available physician takes your call, it's the same thing. If I'm on another call, then you're next in line and you just simply wait. Usually the wait time is about 30 minutes. Sometimes it's less than that depending on when you come into the chat. Live Help one-on-one is now available from 7:30 a.m. to 12 noon Eastern, Monday through Friday, and there's no wait. You just click the link and you'll come straight into the waiting room. I'll send you a message to give you the approximate wait time. It's possible that you'll come straight in and we can do a video chat right away, but more than likely you may end up waiting 10 or 15 minutes. But what a deal. The cost is $50, and I can answer any question you have, help you with project planning, materials, all of these things. Usually you already have an idea of what you want to do, and you can show me that or explain your idea, and I will tell you right away, this idea will work or it will not. And then we can modify your idea, or if you have no plan, no idea what to do, we can help you do that too. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.
Bonjour, bonjour. I'm Sideshow Bob.